Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, here we are again Monday. Happy Monday, and I hope you guys have a great week. Well, today I will be using the Pureless, and it is the Green Tea Vitamin C Brightening Sheet Mask. And also, I will be telling you why I call you my wildflowers, my beautiful wildflowers. So if you want to know, please stay tuned. Okie dokie, welcome back my beautiful wildflowers and guests, and if this is your first time here, welcome and welcome to the beautiful wildflower family. And today I will tell you why I call you guys that. But first I want to go ahead and put this sheet mask on, and then what I want to do is do the 60 empowering questions and affirmation box. I pick one from here and just do a little bit of self-care while we're at it. And then also I want to go ahead and share with you the spotlight wildflower of the day. Okay, and so let's go ahead and get started though. And like I said, this is by Pureless, and it's a green tea and vitamin C brightening sheet mask, and it's supposed to be moisturizing and clarifying, and it is for all skin types, normal to dry. And so, and it is one that you should do about 1 or 2 times a week according to this. And it says start with a clean skin, remove mask from package, unfold, gently place on face to fit, and leave for 15 to 20 minutes, and leave mask gently, massage skin to absorb the, remove mask afterwards, and then massage into the skin and use 1 to 2 times a week. So it says here by the Jennifer Yan is the person who owns Pureless, and she's the one who started it. And it says here, inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. So yeah, great. And what it says about this mask is that this natural fiber mask infused with green tea, vitamin C, and restorative Asian botanical delivers antioxidants and minerals to your skin. The power blend soothes and nourishes while fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Green tea improves skin elasticity, while vitamin C brightens, leaves skin healthy, beautiful, and resilient. Okay, so let's get started. And it says beauty through Asian wisdom, and that's the Pureless. Is I don't know, is it Pureless? Well, it's their motto, right? It's Asian through beauty through Asian beauty. Okay. Oh my God, let me just read it. It does say, beauty through Asian wisdom. I got it right the first time. I should just left it alone, right? So, okay, anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this mask. And before I do that, I'm going to get ready to set the timer. And I'm going to set it for 10 minutes because it does say 10 to 15, right? So I'm going to do for 10. And if I go over, it's okay because it's not an acid product. I'm not really worried about it. And so it is set for... Oh, it's already set for 15. Okay, that must be my regular mask timing. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to really move everything down because I can feel that this is going to be juicy. Okay, and then I will go ahead and tear it from both sides because I don't know which side rips better. Here we go. Okay. A very, very faint, smells like grapefruit. But very faint, so it's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, and it is a little bit soupy here, okay, which I expected. And I have used their products before. But you know what? It's more of a serum soupy. It's not like liquidy like a lot of them are. But this feels kind of, it's got a little bit of, not stickiness, but a little bit of, I guess, thickness to it. It's not just fluid. Oh, look at that. That's the first time ta-da! Okay, and I want to make sure I bring the nose down before I put it on. And then I will go ahead and put this on my face. I'm going to have to move this a little. Okay. And let's see how this mask fits my face. Sometimes they're too big or too small or too long or too wide. But that's okay. Let's not sweat the small stuff. But you know what? I can tell you right now, I really like the fit of these. Maybe because these, I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with Asian mask. I got an Asian face. So anyway, so there we go. And this is actually pretty nice. And like I said in my other video, this piece here, I don't like it when it's just a strip. I like something with, a little thickness here, I do have this columella. That's what it's called, the space between the nose and the lip. Columella. So, well, it's actually that part of it. So, anyhow, yeah. And then what I'm going to do, guys, is because I'm going to go ahead and come off the video real quick and put this silicone mask on so I can talk to you guys. And I don't, I really struggle with it and I look like I'm like torturing myself. So it's better for me to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I am back. And it wasn't too bad. I did still look like I was torturing myself, but it's really hard because I'm wearing, like a cover, and then I have to kind of untuck my ears, and I have to pull on my ears, but it's okay. So let's hit the timer before I start talking here. And, alrighty, start. Okay, and I got it for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to see if I can do this presentation in less than 10 minutes. Well, it's not really a presentation, is it? So I just want to make sure I have everything prompt. Okay, so first what I want to do is as part of the daily mindfulness and empowerment for, us, I want to go ahead and pick one of the empowering questions and affirmation cards. And it's very simple. It takes less than a minute. And I'm going to pick just one. Okay, it says here, today's affirmation is, I am becoming the best version of myself. Ooh, I like that. I am becoming the best version of myself. And there it is. There's a picture right there. And it says the prompt and the questions today is, what am I? What can I do to facilitate personal growth? What am I? Oh no, who am I? I'm a human being, right? It's, who am I? And what can I do to facilitate personal growth? Oh, that's a good question. Here it is. That's a question in the back. And so this is something for you to think about. Who am I? People always ask, why am I here? Who am I? How can I be the best of myself? So this is a good prompt and something for you to kind of walk around saying, I'm becoming the best version of myself today. And so that's always a good thing to think about, right? Every day, today I commit to becoming the best version of myself to date. So tomorrow, you also can say the same thing. And because by day, you should be growing somehow. Okay? And so that's that. And the next thing is, what I want to do is I want to highlight somebody. And I do this on all my videos now, if I remember. And so far, I've been remembering, so I'm really happy about that. The funny thing is, though, the things that this is like the fourth video I video. So I'm kind of going backwards. But the first one you guys will probably see. Or maybe the second one you guys will probably see. Or maybe a third one. But anyway, I did pre-record some videos. It does have this content in it. But I want you to remember the Monday ones, which is the, Mask Monday ladies. I do record this one rather later, like almost to Monday, which this is now Sunday. And so that way I could just go ahead and be just one day. Okay. And so having said that, I want to highlight somebody, and what I've been doing is really picking somebody who has something positive to say in the comments or giving good recommendations that I want everybody to know so that way everybody can benefit from the information. And so this one here, actually, she has a very special place in my heart, and many of you do. But she's a person who has so much energy. And she just reminds me of myself, like the Energizer Bunny. And she just wants to get out there and get good news out and, share information. And she just has, even though I've never met her before, I've never even seen a picture of her before because she just has the initial. But I just can sense her to be so dynamic and so much energy. And I really enjoy reading what she has to say. So this is what she said, and this was a warning to me, and which I'm very happy, and I do look for these things. And it's Melinda Hall. And this is what she said on this day. Hey, Miss Lady, Notification Squad. I love face masks. So happy you got this subscription. Exciting. Let's get into this. You might want to delete the comments with timestamp. If clicked, it leads to an inappropriate website. Just a heads up. Chocolate milk, fun, Lotus super nice. And so she's talking about, she was watching a Monday video, and it was the Mask Monday ladies video, and she was seeing what kind of masks I had. Or this might have been when I got the unboxing of my, this is from the unboxing of my new subscription, face mask subscription, blah, blah, blah. my God, I can't talk, subscription. So, but there was actually a link there, and it comes in early, and they really, I try to catch them, but sometimes I can't because I'm not on there early enough. And she noticed it, and I actually like to see her messages in the morning. And so when I saw that, she said, look out for it. And then I had to look for it, and I found it buried in there. And so I was able to delete it before anybody clicked on it. I mean, just so annoying that happens. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you a shout out, Melinda. And I hope you are doing well. And you always make me smile when I read your kooky little comments with little dancing people and everything else and the emojis. So yeah, thank you so much. So anyhow, moving on, what I want to do is there's a lot of you who are new to this channel. New meaning you probably have never heard why I call you all wildflowers, beautiful wildflowers. And the reason why is because for me, wildflowers are just so beautiful. And I'm going to show you some pictures while I'm talking about it so you can see representation of what I'm saying. Okay. And you know, one of the things about wildflowers, they are so resilient. They're able to, you know, grow next to freeways, abandoned buildings, and even like sand puddles, or whatever you call those, sand patches, right? And so, but they don't need to be tended on a regular basis and baby. They just grow, and they're so beautiful. And they also bring beauty to what would otherwise be, you know, unattractive or something plain. So anytime there are wildflowers, I really like to look at them. I just see them. And also another thing is that they share their energy to sustain others, right? They're in the middle of nowhere, and a bee might feed from them, or maybe possibly a butterfly or a hummingbird. Okay. And another thing about them is that they're all unique. Even though they are all beautiful, they are all different. They might come from the same variety, but there's something unique about them, and they just sustain each other. And even though they're different varieties of flowers, they live together. I mean, they provide beauty wherever they grow. And this is why I call you guys beautiful wildflowers, because for me, that's what I'm reminded of when I see how you guys really react together. I mean, it is so rare. I mean, I can't remember the last time I got any kind of negative comment on my channel. And I think that happened when I was brand new. And I might have gotten like maybe one or two that was not appropriate. Of course, aside from these crazy, you know, people that, spammers. But I mean, from subscribers and visitors, I mean, all I hear is positive things. And you guys support each other. And you guys do disagree sometimes, but it is so respectful. And this is why. I mean, all of you, to me, are beautiful wildflowers, and you represent the best of the best. Being in a wild, being resilient, growing where there's nobody really paying attention to it, and having the ability to still sustain others regardless of what's happening to you. So there you go. Now you have the story. Okay, I probably should just gonna like refer to this video anytime, you know, I get more people. So refer to this video if you want to know why I think, you know, you guys are beautiful wildflowers. Okay, so anyhow, so let's see how much longer do I have in this mask, because I don't want to take too long of your Monday, because it is the start of the week and I want you guys to get a really good start. Okay, and so let's take a look. Okay, there's a couple of minutes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and come off camera, and then I will finish out the 10 minutes and then come back and remove this with you and then tell you what I'm feeling. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. We're finished. Matter of fact, that took a little bit longer, and this is like 15 minutes later, so I ended up doing 15 minutes anyway. So let's go ahead and get this mask off. Okay. It feels good when I take the mask off because it's like pulls on my ears. And so, yep. And I love these silicone masks. I mean, it allows me to, move around. And oh, what I love about this now is like so warm. I mean, my face just warms it up. And let's go ahead and rub this in. And like I said, this is a little bit thicker. It's not as thick as the Mucin one, right? So yeah, so it's okay. It's pretty good. But anyway, what I wanted to tell you, and I didn't tell you at the beginning of the video, is I'm going to go ahead and drop a quick giveaway. It's going to be like 5 to 7 sheet masks of my choice, in which I will pick some nice ones for you guys. And I'm just going to drop it, let's see, in the mail for you guys, whoever wins. Okay, so if you're interested, and remember all of my giveaways, you have to remember is, how'd you say, you can repeat. In other words, if just because you won doesn't mean I'm not going to pick you again, because I don't pick you. It's the, the actual software that does, right? The picker, the YouTube picker. And so I don't eliminate anybody who's won before. And if you guys are watching and you guys are spending the time with me, why should I? I mean, you're here with me all the time, and it's a numbers game, so somebody's gonna win again. It is what it is. So in other words, don't say, well, I don't want to win the mask one, because if I win that, I'm not gonna be able to win the 550 or the 600 subs. That's not true. I will go ahead. You can win, I mean, boom, boom, boom. As long as you follow the rules and you are subscribed to me and you're public, and that's it. And again, this has nothing to do with YouTube or Instagram or any other social media. This is, on me. Everything is paid for by me. Nobody gave me anything. And so I want to actually, even though I put that in a verbiage in the description, I want to say that just in case as well. And so let's go ahead and use the word green tea. 2 words, green tea, okay? For the secret word. So if you stuck around this long, you will know that there will be a little bit of a, quick mask giveaway. And I will announce the winner in the next Monday mask day. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Mask Monday. Ladies, yeah, that's it. So, yeah, so go ahead and now watch that. And I also post these at 6 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. Like, as usual. I do get it out early because I know people in the East Coast do like to watch these as well. And I'm in, in the West Coast, which is I'm 3 hours behind the East Coast. So, yeah, so I try to get it up there as soon as possible for you guys. And so, yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, yeah, if you're interested in entering, just go ahead and please don't write enter me. Just write green tea ice cream. I don't care. Anything with green tea in it. Okay, so, or I love green tea. That's okay too. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed it. And this is actually, I was supposed to tell you about it, right? This is actually very nice and soothing, but I don't feel anything special yet. I may need to use it a couple of times. It's not like the one with the snail mucin one. That really made my face feel really soft really quickly. And so, and I love that one. I use that regularly, guys. I do. And I do have it on auto subscribe. So, and I'm also going to throw that one in as well in the giveaway because I want you guys to feel it is a great mask. So, yeah. And so, yeah, I'm going to have to try this one a couple more times. It is a little bit stickier afterwards, though. I'm not used to things that are, stay sticky like this. And so, but I think it needs to dry a little. I want to be fair to it. And yet, I don't want to keep you guys, going here. So, I'll let you know in the future if it's no good. So, yeah. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed this. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to be a beautiful wildflower? You probably already are, but join the family anyway, okay? Okie dokie. So I want you to have a good day. I want you to have a good night. I want you to have a good week, especially if this is Monday. And have a good weekend if you're watching it any other time. But remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.